Good morning, fellow travelers.
Good morning.
How was your night, Emma?
I just went to sleep.
Did you have good sleeps?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Where are we going today?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. Where are we going?
Animal what?
Kingdom.
Oh, what are we gonna go see?
Lions.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe peak.
Peacocks? Maybe. I don't know. What are you excited about?
I just want to wipe some on my side and move it off.
Oh, okay.
I want
We're gonna see Mickey and Minnie again today.
No,
Yeah.
Minnie's and
Mickey and Minnie are together. That's the one we're going to. Okay. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Hey.
Let's get your autograph book out and go see Chip and Dale and Rafiki. Say hi to Chip. And take their
You take it together to make a lot of features and things that all over the world.
She has Judy Hopps on her shirt.
She's a pretty
All over her shirt. All over her dress. Look at that. Is that so cute?
I love that movie.
Oh, Emma.
So she has used her tail like rubber legs. So you see this on my hand.
Take three and then you hop together. Take three, two. Now hop.
She's got a very camouflage.
Hop, Emma.
Right now,
There you go.
just let her stay on the guard.
Open your eyes, honey. Look at the camera.
One more, promise. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you're so silly. Hi. Hi.
Where are we?
We're at Rainforest Cafe.
Are we wet?
Soaked.
Soaked.
All the way through
Soaked
all
again.
articles of clothing.
It's been a rainy vacation.
What happened to you during the rain? Where did
She
you
made
go?
friends.
Emma made friends and hid in her stroller. She
Yep.
was the driest of us all.
Yep.